Welcome back. One police constable has been suspended and one army officer has been arrested by anti-narcotic police station for sale of narcotics.
They were caught red-handed while dealing in narcotics. Sources say that they had a total of 1 kilogram of drugs. When they were dealing in 750 grams, they were taken into custody. The Kalangut police had doubts about the involvement of a police official in such dealings. Police had pre-planned to catch them red-handed and they were trapped. Our reporter from Panji, Sunny Narvinkar.
The fair venue controversy in Panji is getting hotter. When CCP mayor has revealed that the fair will be back in its original place, corporator Surendra Furtado alleged that the motive behind getting the fair back to Panjim Church Square was only to gain money.
As the Feast of Our Lady of Immaculate Conception is nearing, the issue of getting the fair to Panjim is getting more and more controversial. CCP Mayor Tony Rodriguez informed that plastic bags below 40 microns will be not allowed and affirmed that the fair will be held where the Panjamites want it.
resolution fair tradition for plastic bashing and आमचे restriction आसतले आमचे आराम hotel पे हा जे municipality फुडल्यान road हा तिगासून अशें म्हणजे तो road clear करपाचो आराम hotel कडसून न्याणी आवटेन त्या सायडीन आमचे हिंदू फार्मास आणि ही सायडीन BSNL दिवं इतल्याच एका फेरी आसचे.
But CCP corporator Surendra Furtado alleged that it was just money-making game.
And I am alleging that some of the ruling corporators have tried to bring this from the back door because they are interested in making money on each garment stall and this thing. Otherwise, they are not interested in people of Panjim. We are here elected by the people of Panjim. I am telling the corporators, ruling corporators, enough is enough. Look after the people of Panjim. Look after the business community of Panjim.
Surendra Furtado also said that Gudino was a SOPO collector.
One Gudino has written a letter that it doesn't look like feast on 8 December because there are no garment shop. Who this Gudino? This Gudino is a sopekar. This Gudino is collecting sopa from these stalls. Because one Gudino write letter, the CCP acts on it. This is nothing but a money game.
Refuting the statements made by Surendra Furtado, Adrian Gudino said that Surendra was agitating because of his personal interest and benefit.
पणजेचे शॉपा म्हणटा व्हडले टॅक्स भरता बाबा सुरेन लोक टॅक्स भरता जाल्यार तुजो इंट्रस्ट कितें आसलो हितून दाखयता तुजें कितें पर्सनल इंट्रस्ट आसा म्हण आनी सुरेंद्र सांगता आख्खे पणजेन भोंव आनी सांग कितले गोंयकार आसा आनी कितले गोंयकार ना ते आनी तुका दिसता तूं कितें करता तें सारकें कॅरी ऑन आनी आमकां चड दिसत आमी फेस्त तुज्या घरा कडेन करतले आमी 7 तारीख ते घरा कडेन येतले आनी 8 तारीख भायर सरतले.
Same feast is also celebrated in Margao. Margao municipality has however increased the rent of the vendors at the fair. But the vendors have demanded to reduce the rent or else they have threatened to boycott the fair at Margao.
सगळ्या व्यापाऱ्यांची मागणी आमी अशी ठरयला की ती आमी दुकानात लावप न्ही फेरयेक कित्याक इतले जर पयशे तुमी घेवपाक लागले जाल्यार आमी मागीर तुमकां दितले कितें आनी पोट कशें भरतले म्हणून लास्टाक मागीर आमी अशें ठरयलां की त्या पेक्षा आमी फेरीकूच बसचे न्ही कोणें दुकानात लावप न्ही अशें आमी ठरयलां.
आमचो डिमांड कितें आमचो आसा तो प्लेस दवरपाचो आनी मुन्सिपालिटीन आनी सोपा टॅक्सान मिटरा प्रमाण पयशे मारपाचे कित्याक आमी बी रूल रेग्युलेशन आमकांय जाणा मिटराक कितले पयशे पडटा आनी मुन्सिपालिटी कितले पयशे दिवपाक जाय तेय आमकां खबर आहा आनी हो आमचो डिमांड आमी चीफ मिनिस्टर दिगंबर कामती कडेन मागता की तेणें हो फाल्यां आमचो सोल्व करपाचो नाल्यार आमी इतले फेरीवाले आहा आमी बहिष्कार घालतले.
The Feast of Our Lady of Immaculate Conception is celebrated on 8th of December and thousands of devotees and tourists participate in the feast. Our reporter in Panji, Yashwant Parab, and at Margao, Santan Rodriguez.
Tourist bus owners have come up with yet another problem. This time not with tourist taxi owners but private bus owners. They claim that the private bus owners, besides their daily routine, take personal contract like marriage and picnic, which is a violation of law.
आणि आमकां बसीचे परमीट आसा ऑल गोवा सायट सींग जेन्ना सगळे पळय प्रोग्राम्स आसता पिकनीक काजारां तसली भाडी मारपाचे पूण आमचे जाला परते हिंगा कित्याक आमचे आमी हांगा बेकार उरता आनी लायनीच्यो गाडयो पळय आसा ज्यो स्टेज कॅरेज त्यो आपली थंयसरली लायन सोडून ते रुटा हेचे गाडयांक वयता आमच्या पिकनिकी ते वयता सगळे काजारांक लोकल बाडी मारता कॉलेनो आनी आमी हांगा बेकार उरता आनी ते आमचे टॅक्स वयल्यान डबल फारीक आसता 50 रुपीज पर सीट पर मंथ आमी भरता आमची गाडी चलो ना चलो पूण आमकां ते भरपाचेच आसा भरचेच लागता.
It looks like with heavy loan burden, bus owners are frustrated with all these happenings.
आमचो हांगर उबे रावन इन्स्टॉलमेंट जायना आनी आमचे कडेन ड्रायव्हर आहा तेंचे आमचे पोटां भरूंक जायना आमी कितें करपाचें ते आमी आमकां फाशील आनी मारपाचें आहा आमी आतां जायना जाल्यार आमचें चल आतां पुरो लायनीची गाडी कंपल्सरी भाडी मारतात ते कुलार रावले की सगळे घेवपाचे.
They also claim that in spite of many complaints, the RTO has failed to take necessary action.
फाटी आमी तांकां एक RTO एप्लिकेशन दिल्लें की तुमी तेंचेर मातशें एप्लिकेशन एक्शन घ्या पूण तेंच्यांनी अजून कांयच एक्शन घेतलेली ना. मातशी तेंच्यांनी ती एक्शन घेवन आमचे मातशें ते सगळ्या जाग्यार उडोवपाचें इतलेंच आमी तेंचे कडेन रिक्वेस्ट करता.
Tourist buses are levied with high taxes as compared to private buses. With all these things happening, it's becoming difficult for tourist bus drivers to carry out their business.
आमी इमिजिएटली आमचे इन्स्पेक्टर आपोवन तेंच्या समोरासमोर तांकां इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिलेलें आसा की शेनवार आयतारा एक्स्ट्रा ड्युटी करून चेकिंग करून ज्यो अश्यो गाडयो ज्यो मेळटा पळय तांचेर एक ताबडतोब कार्यवाही करची आनी त्यो गाडयो मेळटा थंयसर डिटेन करच्यो आनी हेजे फुडें ही मोहीम आमी राबयतले. शक्यतो अशें ऑपरेशन आमी इलिगल ऑपरेशन आमी करूंक दिवचे न्हू ह्या ऑफिसांत.
Our reporter from Mapsa, Shamsundar Fatte.
Goa's Director of Child and Women Development, Sanjeev Gadkar, who is also the competent authority under the Children's Act, will pronounce his order on 17 December on the complaint filed against the mother of British teenager Scarlett Keeling for violating the provisions of Children's Act.
According to the complaint filed by Advocate Iris Rodriguez against Fiona McGowan, the mother of the British teenager, that she had violated the provisions of Children's Act. The competent authority heard the preliminary arguments in the matter and directed both the parties to file their written submissions by 15 December. A reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamli.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.